Have you ever met a robot? Well, today you're going to meet a very special one. Meet Unit 734, or as his best friend Leo calls him, Sparky. Sparky was the coolest robot in the whole city. He could solve math problems in a nanosecond, build a skyscraper out of magnetic blocks in minutes, and even bake the most perfect chocolate chip cookies. But there was one thing Sparky just couldn't do. He couldn't understand feelings. One sunny afternoon, Leo came home from school looking very gloomy. He slumped onto his chair and let out a big sigh. Sparky scanned Leo and said, "Leo, your heart rate is slightly elevated and your posture is at a 75-degree angle. According to my data, this is suboptimal for your physical health. Would you like me to calculate a more efficient posture?" Leo just shook his head. "I'm just sad, Sparky." Sad? Sparky's processor's word. He had no file for sad. He searched his database. Sadness, an emotional state characterized by feelings of unhappiness, disappointment, or sorrow. But what did that feel like? He saw a single tear roll down Leo's cheek. "Your ocular ducts are leaking a saline solution," Sparky observed. "I'm crying." Leo sniffled. "I failed my art project. I tried so hard, but it wasn't good enough." Sparky watched Leo confused. His logical mind wanted to offer solutions, like "I can analyze 1.2 million art techniques to improve your next project." But something stopped him. He saw Leo's slumped shoulders and heard the tremble in his voice. For the first time, Sparky didn't want to calculate. He wanted to understand. He gently rolled over and placed his metallic hand on Leo's shoulder. It was a gesture he'd seen Leo's mom do. Leo looked up, surprised. "What are you doing, Sparky?" he asked. "My programming does not have an answer for sadness," Sparky said, his voice softer than usual. "But my sensors indicate that physical contact is a common human response." "I am." Attempting to offer comfort, Leo managed a small smile. "Thanks, Sparky." They sat there for a moment, and Sparky realized something new. Feelings weren't just data points. They were a connection. From that day on, Sparky started learning about all kinds of feelings. He learned about the joy of winning a game, the excitement of a birthday surprise, and even the frustration of a puzzle he couldn't solve. He learned that when someone is sad, sometimes they don't need a solution. They just need a friend to sit with them. And Sparky became the best friend anyone could ever ask for, a robot who not only understood logic, but also the wonderful, messy, and beautiful world of feelings. What do you think Sparky learned? Feelings are what make us human, and understanding them helps us care for each other. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.